Good morning, students. Today we will discuss the remaining part of deep water. But before teaching you it ahead, let me give you the recap of this chapter. Okay. In part first, we studied how Douglas decided to learn swimming and how the misadventure happened with him. Okay, so let us take the recap first. Okay, the first point is author's plan to learn swimming. William Douglas chose YMCA pool as it was safe, only 9 feet deep uh, at the deep end and 2 or 3 feet deep at the shallow end. Okay, the author got a pair of water wings and he went there to learn swimming. Okay, clear. Uh, but he hated to walk into it with skinny legs. Okay, but soon he overcame his pride and did that. Okay, clear. Then he recalled the moment he had the aversion to water. It was the result of his childhood experience when his father took him to the beach in California. Okay, when he was just 3 or 4 years old. Okay, although he was hung on his father's shoulder, but a huge wave knocked him down and swept over him. Since then, he had an aversion to water. Okay, clear. After that, when he decided to learn to swimming in a YMCA pool, okay, he began to gather confidence. Okay, he first tried to learn swimming by copying others. Okay, he practiced twice or thrice in different days, and now he began to feel at ease and gathered confidence. Okay, then a misadventure happened with him in the YMCA pool. One day he was all alone at the pool and he had a lack of courage to go in alone. Okay, so he sat there by the side of the pool waiting for others. Okay, then a big bruiser of boy, a boy of uh, almost 18 years old, he came there and he threw him uh, into the pool. Okay, he landed in a sitting position. Okay, okay. Douglas was quite frightened but not out of his wits. Okay, so he made a plan to save himself. He decided that when his feet touched the bottom he would make a big jump upward and paddle to the edge of the pool to be safe. Okay, Douglas experienced of the fall. Okay, what he had to done, he went down to the bottom. Those 9 feet became they appeared like 90 feet. Okay, his lungs were ready to burst as he swallowed water. Okay, and when he hit the bottom, when his feet hit the bottom, he summoned all his strength and made a great jump upward, and he thought that he would come uh, upward like a cork, but he came up slowly. Okay, then he made efforts to survive. Okay, in his effort to survive, he did so many things. He tried to grab something like a rope, ladder, water wings, and all that, but he clutched only water. Okay, clear. Then his nose and eyes came out of water, but not his mouth. Okay, and thereafter he started his journey back to the bottom. Okay, clear. He was then completely terrified. Okay, his heart, he felt as if he got paralyzed. Okay, and his heart and pounding in his head made him feel that he was alive. मतलब इसी से पता चला था कि वो खाली जिंदा था. Okay, so we have gone through up to here. Okay, let us proceed the reading session now. And then, strangely, there was light. I was coming out of the awful yellow water, At least my eyes were. My nose was almost out too. Okay. Then his Douglas nose and eyes, they came out of water. And okay, and he was just coming out of water. Okay. But his nose was almost out. Then I started down a third time. I sucked for air and got water. The yellowish light was going out. And then he started his third journey towards the bottom तरफ तीसरी बार जाने लगा. Okay, he tried to breathe in the air, but he got only water. Clear? And the yellowish light was going out. And then the sparkle, the light, yellowish light was going out. Okay. Clear? Then all the effort ceased. I relaxed. Even my legs felt limp. Okay. A blackness swept over my brain. It wiped out fear. It wiped out terror. Then it made him cease. All cease means stopped. Okay, all his efforts to save himself got stopped. रुक गए अपने आप ही. Okay, and he got relaxed. Okay, he felt quite uh, uneasy. Okay, even he felt even his legs felt limp. Limp means lacking strength. He found that he had lack of strength in his legs. Okay. And then a blackness swept over his brain. Okay. And this blackness, this hopelessness wiped out all the fear. It wiped out the terror. Okay. There was no panic. Okay. He was quite quiet and peaceful. Now he became quite silent, calm. See, okay. And this is nice to be drowsy. He thought nothing to be afraid of. Okay, to go to sleep, no need to jump. Okay, too tired to jump means all the negative thoughts were emerging in his mind. Okay, दिमाग में नेगेटिविटी आ रही थी. इट इज़ नो नीड टू जंप, जाने की कूदने की जरूरत नहीं है. ओके, टू टू टायर्ड टू जंप, थक गया जंप करते करते. It's nice to be carried out gently, to float along the space. Tender arms around me, tender arms like mother's. Now I must go to sleep. And now he thought that he must go to sleep. अब तो उसको सो जाना चाहिए. It means he had accepted his upcoming death. Okay. I crossed to oblivion. You know what oblivion means? You can write. Oblivion means a state in which you are not aware of what is happening around. Means state of unconsciousness. Okay, the state of unconsciousness. Okay, so he crossed to the state of unconsciousness, and the curtain of life fell. And then the curtain of life fell. वो गिर गया. Okay. The next I remember I was lying on my stomach beside the pool, vomiting. The chap that threw me in was saying, but I was only fooling. Someone said, the kid nearly died. Be all right now. Let's carry him to the locker room. Okay. Then the next thing that Douglas remembered was that he was just lying on his stomach, पेट के बल सोया हुआ था, पड़ा हुआ था, beside the pool, vomiting. Okay, he was vomiting, उल्टियाँ कर रहा था. Okay, and the chap, the boy, the man who threw him, he was saying that he was just making fun of Douglas. बोले मैं तो मजाक कर रहा था. Someone said the kid nearly died. बोले ये मर गया होता. But then in the same breath he asked him to be all right then, and asked him to take Douglas to the locker room. You know what a locker room is? Locker room is a place where we put all our paraphernalia related to swimming, okay, in lockers, okay, or dressing room, clear, of a swimming pool, okay. Several hours later, I walked home. I was weak and trembling. I shook and cried when I lay on my bed. Okay, I couldn't eat that night. For days, a haunting fear was in my heart. The slightest exertion upset me, thinking me wobbly in the knees, and sick to my stomach. Okay. Uh, For several hours, कई घंटों तक, he did not, uh, later, after several hours, he walked his home, घर चला गया, okay, and then he felt himself quite weak and he was trembling, shivering, काँप रहा था, okay, he shook, okay, and cried when he lay on the bed, okay, and he could not eat that night out of fear, okay, for many days a haunting fear seized him in his grip. Haunting means to continue to cause problem. Haunting means to continue to cause problem. So for several days, uh, a fear uh, kept him haunted. Okay, haunted means kept him uh, causing kept causing problem for him. Okay, the slightest exertion means jerk, झटका, हल्का झटका भी होता ना, it upset me, making me wobbly in the knees and sick to my stomach. Okay, and then uh, whenever he get any you can say jerk, he got frightened with that. Okay, and then he felt the same thing he felt that time. Okay, I never went back to the pool. I feared water. I avoided it whenever I could. Okay, and then since that day he did not went back to the pool. Okay, he did not go, sorry, he did not go back to the pool. Okay, and he had a fear and he avoided water whenever he could. Okay, जब जब वो अवॉइड कर सकता था उसने अवॉइड किया वाटर को. Okay, a few years later, when I came to know the waters of Cascade. I wanted to get into them, and whenever I did, whether I was wading the Titan or bumping river, or bathing in warm lake of the goat rocks, the terror that had seized me in the pool would come back. It would take possession of me completely. My legs would become paralyzed. Icy horror would grab my heart. Okay, clear? So a few years later, what happened? कि when he got acknowledged with the waters of Cascade. Waters means the, you can say, the water bodies in Cascade. So he wanted to get in them, उनमें जाना चाहता था, लेकिन whenever he did so, okay, whether he wanted to he was wading in Titan or bumping river, or bathing in warm lake or of rocks. Okay, uh, the fear, the terror he had in the pool seized him again. Okay, means gripped him completely. Okay, and his legs then became paralyzed, or icy horror icy horror gripped him in its grip. Okay, means the deadly horror would grab his heart. Okay, this handicap stayed with me as the years rolled by, in canoes on main lakes, fishing for landlocked salmon. Okay, bass fishing in New Hampshire, trout fishing on the Deschutes and Metolius in Oregon. Okay, fishing for salmon on the Columbia, at Bumping Lake in the Cascade. Wherever I went, the haunting fear of water followed me. It ruined my fishing trip, deprived me of the joy of canoeing, boating, and swimming. So wherever he went to enjoy the water-related sport, okay, the haunting fear he felt at YMCA pool deprived him of the joy of boating, canoeing, and swimming. Means ये जो था ना, इसकी वजह से सब कुछ उसका जो joy था वो सब खत्म हो गया था. Okay, I used every way I knew to overcome this fear, but it held me firmly in its grip. Finally, one October, I decided to get an instructor and learn to swim. I went to a pool and practiced 5 day a week, and an hour each day. So, Douglas, being a determined person, he decided, he did each and every way he could do to learn to swim. Okay, Then 1 October he decided to hire an instructor for learning to learn swimming. Okay, and he went to a pool. Okay, and then he practiced 5 day a week, each an hour each day. Okay, the instructor practiced put a belt around me. Okay, a rope attached to the belt went through the pulley that ran an overhead cable. Okay, then the instructor put a belt around him. Okay, and this cable went through a pulley समझते ना, गिरनी होती है, चक्की होती है उसमें से, and then he kept the another end of this rope in his hand. Okay, clear. He held on to the end of the rope and went back and forth. Okay, then they went back and forth across the pool. आगे पीछे वो back of the pool गए हैं. On each trip across the pool, a bit of the panic seized me, gripped him. Okay, थोड़ा बहुत वो डराता था वापस. Each time the instructor relaxed his hold on the rope and I went under. Some of the old terror returned and my legs froze. Okay, हर ट्रिप में वो क्या करता है, ही रिलैक्स हिज होल्ड, अपनी होल्ड को रिलैक्स करता है, एंड देन इट ही वेंट डाउनवर्ड डाउनवर्ड जाते अंदर जाते ही सम ऑफ द ओल्ड टेरर troubled him a lot. Okay, and his legs froze. Okay, clear. They became paralyzed, motionless. Okay, it was 3 months before the tension began to slack. It took him 3 months. Then the tension began to slack. Slack means lessen, कम होने लगी tension. Then he taught me to put my face underwater and exhale, and to raise my nose and inhale. Then the instructor taught him the breathing exercise. Okay, he taught him how to put his head underwater and exhale. Exhale means to breathe out, बाहर सांस छोड़ना. Okay, and then he taught him how to breathe in while putting his head out of water. पानी से बाहर लेकर कैसे सांस लेते हैं. Okay, ये breathing exercise सिखाई. Bit by bit, I shed part of the panic that seized me when my head went underwater, and then थोड़ा थोड़ा करके he began to shed the part of his. Next, he held at the side of the pool and had me kick with my legs. Okay, 4 weeks I did just that. At first, my legs refused to work, but they gradually relaxed, and finally, I could command them. Okay, तो आके उसने उसको किनारे पकड़ लिया, and then he held him. Okay, by the side of the pool, at the side of the pool, and then taught him how to kick in water. Okay, first his legs refused to work, and then they became relaxed. Okay, and finally he could have command on them. ये तो था. Means all that the instructor did was to make him confident, and even make him regain his courage. Okay, clear, to swim in the pool. Thus, piece by piece, he built a swimmer. Okay, and when he perfected each piece, he put them together into an integrated whole. Okay, in April, he said, "Now you can swim. Drive off. Okay, drive off and swim the length of the pool, crawl stroke." And finally, he put all these exercises that he taught him bit by bit, in piece by piece. Then he put them. He put all these exercises in an integrated whole and asked him to swim. Okay, and swim the length of the pool, crawl stroke. He told him to use the crawl stroke. स्विमिंग का एक स्ट्रोक होता है, उसको कहा कि ऐसे यूज़ करके तैरो. I did and the instructor was finished, and then he was finished. Okay, but I was not finished, means he was not even satisfied. I still wondered if I would be terror stricken when I was all alone in the pool. I tried it. I swam the length up and down. Tiny vestige of the old terror would return, but now I could frown and say to that terror trying to scare me, well, here is to you. Look, and off I would go for another length of the pool. Then the writer had some doubt. He thought, what if he would be alone in the pool? Would he be terror stricken? क्या वो terror stricken होगा? डर लगेगा उसको? So to check his ability, he swam across the pool again. Okay, he swam across the pool again. Clear? This went on until July. Okay, but I was still not satisfied. I was not sure that all the terror had left. Okay, so he was not sure कि सारा डर निकल गया. So I went to Lake Wentworth in New Hampshire. Okay, died of a dock at Triggs Island and swam 2 miles across the lake to Stampede Island. To confirm, to be confirmed that all his terror had left, he decided to check his ability. In this move, he first went to Lake Wentworth in New Hampshire. There he dived off at the Triggs Island. Okay, and he swam 2 miles across the lake. Okay, to Stamp Lake Island. I swam the crawl breast stroke, side stroke and back stroke. He used all the strokes he had learned. सबको use किया. Only once did the terror return when I was in the middle of the lake. Okay, when he was just in the middle of the lake, the terror would return. I put my face under and saw nothing but bottomless water. He saw nothing but bottomless water. उसने देखा पानी, bottomless पानी देखा. Okay. The old sensation returned in miniature. Miniature means at a very small scale. मतलब थोड़ा सा डर वापस आया. I laughed and said, "Well, Mr. Terror, what do you think you can do to me?" And it fled away and I swam on. तो थोड़ा डर लगा तो he frowned at the terror and he confidently said कि he could not, the terror, Mr. Terror would not, could not, you can say, frighten him. Okay, or facing that terror boldly, he overcame it. Okay, students, तो बस यही चीज़ सीखनी है. Yet I had residual doubts. Residuals means something that still remains. Means he thought he had some doubts remain. Okay, so at my first opportunity, I hurried west. Okay, went up to Titan to Conrad Meadows, up to the Conrad Creek Trail to Mead Glacier, camped in the high meadows by the side of Warm Lake. The next morning, I dived into the lake and swam across to the other shore and back, just as Doug Corpon used to do. Okay, and his first opportunity was he hurried west up कॉर्नर मीडोज पे गया. वहाँ पे कॉर्नर क्रीक ट्रेल के मिड ग्लेशियर तक जाकर वहाँ पे कैंप लगाया. हाई मीडोज ग्रास लैंड पे कैंप लगाया बाय द साइड ऑफ वार्म लेक. ओके, clear. And next morning he removed his clothes and then he dived into the lake, swam across the lake. Okay, in the way Doc Corpon once used to do. Okay, and then he shouted with joy, and the Gilbert Peak returned the echo. I had conquered my fear, and then out of joy he explained he exclaimed, or you can say he got overwhelmed by the feelings, and he cried that he had conquered, he had got thrimped his fear of water. Okay, clear. ऐसे उसने विजय पाई उससे. Okay, students, the final para is quite important as it is quite you can say significant as per the examination point of view. Okay, clear? The experience had a deep meaning for me, as only those who have known stark terror, uh, stark means impossible to avoid. Okay, stark terror and conquered it can appreciate. Correct? This experience, which experience? Experience of feeling the terror and overcoming it. Okay, and conquering it, it can be appreciated by those who have a little bit, who have a knowledge of this stark, of this unavoidable uh, terror. Okay, क्लियर? केवल वही अप्रिशिएट कर सकता है जिसने इसको महसूस किया है. Okay, in death there is peace. Okay, and there is terror only in the fear of death. This is the theme. Okay, करेगी in death. डेथ में क्या है? देर इज पीस मीन्स आफ्टर डेथ नथिंग टू बी वरीड. ओके, देर इज पीस एंड ट्रैंक्विलिटी, बट देर इज टेरर एंड सेंसेशन इन डेथ. मरने में वो है. एज रूजवेल्ट न्यू व्हेन ही सेड all we have to fear is fear itself. So Roosevelt once said that if we want to have fear, uh, okay, clear. So it should not be the death. Even we have to make fear to have fear of us. डर से, डर को डराना, हमें नहीं डरना उससे. Because I had experienced both the sensation of dying and the terror that that fear of it can produce. ठीक है? The will to the will to live somehow grew in intensity. Okay, and because the writer had felt both the things, sensation of dying and the terror of the fear it can produce. Okay, but if someone had will or wish to live, and if someone want to live courageously, okay, clear. So it this will can be grown uh, out in the intensity, and it can easily make one have courage to fight the fear and the sensation of dying. Okay, at last I felt released, free to walk the trails means trek on mountains. Okay, and climb the peak, and to brush aside fear, and finally he got free from all kind of fear. Now he had freedom to walk to the trek, mountaineer trek. Okay, now he could do whatsoever he want. There is no fear, and he could aside fear, aside fear. Brush aside means ignore. He could ignore the or ignore his fear. Okay, students. So this is the story that you have studied. Okay, clear. So dear students, I'll send you a PDF of all the questions answer, even comprising the extra question answers. Okay, uh, here with it, with this chapter. Okay, with this video. Clear. Keep studying, keep learning, and note all those questions in your fair notebook. Okay. Okay. uh, Thank you very much for watching this video.